Soil investigation plays a crucial role in any construction project, as it provides valuable information about the properties and characteristics of the soil at a particular site. In the case of Greenpark, a prominent residential area in Delhi, Scon Design has undertaken a soil investigation to ensure the stability and durability of the proposed construction projects. The objective of this investigation is to determine the soil's bearing capacity, its suitability for foundation construction, and to identify any potential risks or challenges that may arise during the construction process. The soil investigation in Greenpark involves various techniques and methodologies to gather accurate data about the soil composition and its physical properties. This includes conducting geotechnical tests such as the Standard Penetration Test, SPT, which measures the resistance of the soil to penetration by a standard-sized sampler. Other tests that may be carried out include the Cone Penetration Test, CPT, which measures the cone resistance of the soil, and the Plate Load Test, which determines the soil's bearing capacity. The soil investigation in Greenpark also involves analyzing samples taken from different depths to determine their engineering properties. These properties include soil classification, moisture content, compaction characteristics, shear strength, and permeability. By analyzing these properties, Scon Design can assess the suitability of the soil for various types of foundation systems and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate any potential risks or challenges. The findings of the soil investigation are crucial in determining the design and construction parameters for residential buildings in Greenpark. The bearing capacity of the soil determines the type and size of foundations required, while its permeability affects drainage systems and waterproofing measures. By conducting a thorough soil investigation, Scon Design can provide accurate recommendations that ensure the structural integrity and longevity of the buildings in Greenpark. In addition to determining the soil's engineering properties, the soil investigation also helps identify any potential hazards or risks that may affect construction projects in Greenpark. This includes identifying areas with high groundwater levels, susceptibility to liquefaction, or potential slope instability. By identifying these risks early on, Scon Design can develop appropriate mitigation measures to minimize any adverse effects on construction activities and ensure the safety of residents. Overall, the soil investigation conducted by Scon Design in Greenpark is essential for ensuring the success and longevity of construction projects in this residential area. Through this comprehensive approach to soil investigation, Greenpark can continue to thrive as a vibrant residential area in Delhi. Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, as it helps engineers and architects understand the properties and characteristics of the soil on which the structure will be built. In the case of the Greenpark project in Delhi, conducted by Scon Design, soil investigation becomes even more important due to the specific requirements and challenges of the site. Greenpark